Acid rain is rain or any other form of precipitation that is very acidic. It has harmful effects on the environment and on structures. Acid rain is mostly caused by emissions due to human activity of sulfur and nitrogen compounds which react in the atmosphere to produce acids. Since the Industrial Revolution, emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides to the atmosphere has increased. Though acid rain was discovered in 1852, it wasn't until the late 1960s that scientists began widely observing and studying the phenomenon. In industrialized areas, pH reading could go below 2.4. This is as acidic as vinegar. The problem of acid rain not only has increased with population and industrial growth, but has become more widespread. The use of tall smokestacks to reduce local pollution has contributed to the spread of acid rain by releasing gases into the regional atmospheric circulation. The principal cause of acid rain is sulfur and nitrogen compounds from human sources, such as electricity generation, factories, and motor vehicles. Coal power plants are one of the most polluting. The gases can be carried hundreds of kilometers into the atmosphere. Factories nowadays have longer smoke funnels, thus causing pollutants to be carried further, causing greater ecological damage. However, there are also natural causes that lead to acid rain. For example, volcano eruptions. These eruptions will inject massive amounts of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. Thus, gas emissions from volcanoes are a natural contributor to the acid rain. There are a few ways of acid deposition. It is mainly wet deposition and dry deposition. Wet deposition of acids could occur in any form of precipitation such as rain or snow, where the acids are removed and delivered to the Earth's surface by this precipitation. Acid deposition also occurs through dry deposition in absence of precipitation. This occurs when acidic particles and gases stick to the ground, plants, or other surfaces. Acid rain also has massive impact on the environment and in our lives too. Acid rain has been shown to have adverse impacts on forests, fresh waters, and soils, killing off insects and aquatic life forms as well as causing damage to buildings and having possibly impacts on human health. Both the lower pH in surface water that occurs as a result of acid rain and cause damage to fish and other aquatic animals. When pH goes lower than 5, most fish eggs will not hatch and lower pH can kill adult fish. As lakes become more acidic, biodiversity is reduced. Therefore, acid rain could eliminate insects' life and fish species. Soil biology can also be seriously damaged by acid rain too. Some microorganisms are unable to tolerate low pH and are killed. The enzymes of these are denatured by the acids, thus leaching away essential nutrients and minerals. Thus, it stunts the growth of plants, damaging plants and the crops. Drinking water can also be contaminated with chemicals released by acid rain. Aluminium and lead in water can be poisoned at high levels, thus affecting our health. Some scientists have suggested direct links to human health, but none have been proven. However, gases found in the acid rain such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide have been shown to cause illness and premature death such as cancer and other deadly diseases. Acid rain can also cause damage to buildings. When sulfur pollutants fall onto buildings made from limestones and sandstone, they react with minerals in the stone to form a powdery substance that can be washed away by rain. Famous buildings like the Statue of Liberty in New York, the Taj Mahal in India, and St. Paul's Cathedral in London have all been damaged by this. However, the government has also set up preventive measures to reduce the devastating effects of this acid rain. In the United States, many coal-burning power plants use a device called a wet scrubber to remove sulfur-containing gases from the stacked gases. A wet scrubber is basically a reaction tower equipped with a fan that extracts hot smoke stacked gases from a power plant into the tower. Not only the government, but everyone should also do their part to stop acid rain.